Recently, we visited Uppalapadu Bird Sanctuary, which is located in Uppalapadu near Guntur city, Andhra Pradesh, India. Painted storks, spot-billed pelicans, and other birds that migrate from various countries such as Siberia and Australia use the village water tanks for nesting. The bird population in these tanks used to be around 12,000 previously. However, lately only about 7,000 birds roost in this dwindling habitat through the year. But some initiatives have taken place, such as adding artificial trees, local awareness, proper water supply to the ponds, etc. The number of pelicans may be more than 1500. Besides this, 6 pintail ducks, a few cormorant, few red-crested pochard, common coot, common teal, black-headed ibises, stilts were also sighted.
గాలి చూడు ఎంత బాగుందో అసలు చల్లటి గాలి వస్తుంది బ్యూటిఫుల్ మధ్యలో చూడు అవి నెక్స్ట్ పెట్టుకోవాలి అవునా
Dear Daddy, who is always trying to be adventurous, recollecting his childhood memories, picking up Seema Chintakayalu from the side of the ponds. Wildlife sanctuary is an area comprised within any reserve forest or the territorial waters which is of adequate ecological, faunal, floral, geomorphological, natural, or zoological significance. The sanctuary is declared for the purpose of protecting, propagating, or developing wildlife or its environment. Along with our government, it's our individual responsibility to protect our planet. Take care. Bye.